This video will show you how to customize your unit settings. Once you've installed the Windfinder app, the forecast is given in a predefined set of units. If you want to change these units, for example, into beaufort, miles per hour, or Fahrenheit, you can do this in the Settings menu. Tap on More in the bottom menu bar. Now tap on Settings. If you are using the Android app, go back and tap on More in the bottom menu bar. Now tap on Settings. Here you see the Settings menu. In your menu, just go through the list of adjustable parameters and change the units as you like. Let's change the unit for wind speed from the predefined knots to miles per hour. And the temperature from degrees Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. Now see more settings regarding the wind direction and the clouds coverage. For that, activate the Expert mode. This gives you the opportunity to choose whether you want degrees or the abbreviated wind direction with your wind arrow. In addition, choose between the symbol or the percentage of cloud coverage. Now tap on Favorites in the bottom menu bar to see the results. Congratulations! You have customized the units of the forecast parameters.